Hello students, I welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. So in this video, we will be doing some questions based on exponents, and most of the questions are taken from R.S. Agarwal's book. It is for class 7. So welcome you all. Let us begin. So I am discussing questions of exercise 5A from question number 10 to 18. First question is, before that, let me go for some rules used in the exponent. A raised to the power 0 is 1. A raised to the minus 1 is 1 upon A. A by B raised to the power minus 1 is B by A. B by A is reciprocal of A by B. A by B raised to the M is reciprocal of B by A raised to the power M. You can pause the video, you can write A raised to the power M into A raised to the power N is same as A raised to the power M plus N, or powers are added when same base are multiplied. Similarly, if it is divided, the powers are subtracted. And power of a power, we multiply M into N. We have already learned it. Similarly, when two bases are different but power is same, we can multiply the base and power can be written. Now going for question number 10, part 1. Here we will apply the formula A raised to the power M raised to the power N is equal to M into N. So what we'll do here, same logic will apply. We'll write minus 1 by 4 and all the powers I'll multiply. What is the power? 2. Next power minus 2. Next power minus 1. So now multiply 2 minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1. How much? It will be 4. So minus 1 by 4 to the power 4. So this is the simplification. No other thing to do. Next is part 2. Part 2 also I'll write, because we won't write rational number here, only simplification. So minus 2 by 3, and I will, here the powers will be multiplied. 2 into 3. How much it will be? It will be 6. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 6. Next is third and fourth part. Same logic you will apply. So here, what is the logic? You will apply that A raised to the power M division A raised to the power N is equal to A to the power M minus N. When they are divided, powers are subtracted. So for third case, I'll write minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 minus 6. And 3 minus 6, you know, it will be minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. And do we keep the answer in this way? No. We keep the answer as positive power. So what I'll do, I'll change the numerator and denominator. So when I'll change, where I'll keep the negative, I'll keep in the numerator. So it will be minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. So whenever you have doubt, you cannot understand, so keep the pause the video and see again and again, you will understand better. So now fourth part is minus 2 by 3. It is also division. What I'll do, I'll write 7 minus 4. So here I am getting your power 3. So no need of simplification. I'll get the answer as it is. So this finishes your question number 10. Next, question number 11. By what number should minus 5 to the power minus 1 is multiplied to the get product is equal to a to the power minus 1. So here you will keep in mind a raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So minus 5 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5. As I told, the Negative will be the numerator. And 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8. Now the question is, what should be multiplied with minus 1 by 5 to get 1 by 8? So what we do? We divide 1 by 8 with minus 1 by 5. And you have done division the rational number. So it is the reciprocal is multiplied. When I'll write the reciprocal, I'll keep the negative on the numerator. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 5 by 8. So this finishes your question number 11. Question number 12. By what number? Is a similar question. First you'll write 3 to the power minus 3. You will remove this negative sign. So it will be 1 by 3 to the power 3 minus 1 by 3 to the power 3 will be 3 into 3 into 3. How much? It will be 27. And numerator will be 1 multiplied any times it 1. Now what should be multiplied to this? What should be multiplied with this to get your 4? So what we do? We divide 4 with 1 by 27. 4 division 1 by 27. So this is equal to 4 means 4 by 1 into 27 by 1. What is the result? The result is 108. I hope you understood. Next is question number 13. It is a similar question. You can try yourself. You can check from the video. Pause the video, do yourself. Okay. Then it will be minus 30 to the power minus 1. Minus 30 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 30. Negative will be on the numerator. Similarly, 6 to the power minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now, what should be divided to get this? That means, what number should we divide minus 1 by 30 to get this? So, it's the same thing. So, minus 30 division 1 by 6. I hope you have got the answer in between. Minus 1 by 3 into 6 by 1. Division means rational number. It is reciprocal multiplication. So this will be 6 and 30 will be cancelled. It will be minus 1 by 5. Next is question number 14. So this is the answer. Already we have done. Question number 14. Question number 14 is find the value of x. So here what you will apply? You will apply that the left hand side and right hand side are equal to each other. So see, I'll simplify the left hand side with what property? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So what will the LHS? LHS will be left hand side of the expression will be 3 to the power 5, 3 plus minus 6. And since it's an equation, you write the right hand side also. So this will be 2x minus 1. Now this implies that, or you can write or here, but in an equation you have to write this. So this will be 3 plus minus 6. Certainly it will be minus 3. This is equal to 3 by 5 to the power 2x minus 1. Now you will see that both have base equal. Left hand side base and right hand side base are equal. So power of left hand side is equal to power of right hand side. So what I'll write? I'll write minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Or I can write 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. I'm taking x terms left hand side. This is the way of writing. So 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 1. How much? This is minus 2. So your x is equal to minus 2 upon 2. That will be minus 1. So this is the answer of this question. And this is a very common question in exponent. You should practice some more question. Similar question. Next, question number 15. Question number 15 is simplify 3 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5, 25, 5 raised to the power 7 and 6 to the power 5. You can see that 10, 5 times, 3, 5 times. I won't write so many times. I'll try to simplify because I have learned already the rules. So what I'll do, I'll write 3 to the power 5 and this 10 I'll break into 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 because 10 is equal to 2 into 5. So it can be written 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. And this 25 I can write to 5 to the power 2. 2 times 5. Now the denominator. Denominator is 5 to the power 7 and 6 to the power 5. I can write this is 2 to the power 5 multiplies 3 to the power 5 because 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So I wrote 6 by 4 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5. Similarly, 10 is 2 into 5. So I can write 10 to the power 5 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. So what we did here. Now it is the simplification. I'm cancelling 3 to the power 5. I'm cancelling 2 to the power 5. Now see what is the numerator. Numerator is again 5 and 5. The powers is 5 and 7. So I can add 5 and 7. 5 and 2. What is 5 and 2? It will be 7. So 5 to the power 7 by 5 to the power 7. What is the answer? Answer is 1. So it was a big expression. You see the answer is so small. Question number 16. Question number 16 is again complicated question, but we know the rule, we can break it. Now what is the criteria for breaking? So first let us read the question. 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n into 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 in minus 2 into n plus 2. Now if you will see the denominator 2 to the power n plus 1 is in all the terms. So there is no problem. But in the numerator, once it is 2 to the power n, once it is 2 to the power n plus 1. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 to the power n plus 1, I'll make it 2 to the power n plus 1. That means it can be 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1 because you will multiply, the powers are added. So this is same as your 2 into 2 to the power n. So in the numerator, I'll change 2 to the power n plus 1 into this. So it will be 16 into 2 into 2 to the power n minus 4 into 2 to the power n. I am writing only the numerator. So this will be, I am taking 2 to the power common. Common means I'll take outside. So how much is remain? Remain 32. 32 minus 4. How much it is? It is 28. So this will be 28 into 2 to the power n. This becomes the numerator. Coming to denominator. Denominator is, I'll take 2 to the power n plus 2 common. So what is left? Here 16 is left. Here 2 is left. So 16 minus 2. How much is this? 16 minus 2 is 14. So it will be 14 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Now can I make into 2 to the power n? Yes, I can make it. I'll write 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is how much? It will be 4. So 14 into 4 into 2 to the power n. Now I'll write in the fraction form. That means numerator by denominator. So in the numerator, it will be 28 into 2 to the power n. And in denominator, I am getting 56 into 2 to the power n. Now 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n cancel. 28 by 56. 28 2s are 56. Or you can cancel with 4. You can cancel with your 14. This will be half is the answer. So this is answer of 16. You can pause the video, you can write, you can see again and again till you understand. Question number 17. Question number 17. You have learned this question. Still I'm doing for you. First is I'm writing part 1. 5 2n into 5 3 power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 9. In the left hand side, combine this 5. That means they are multiplied, so power will be added. So it will be 5 to the power 9. Now you can observe that both have base same 5. So I'll make the exponent equal because they both are equal. So 2n plus 3 is equal to 9. So can you get the value of 9? 2n is equal to 6. Not value of 9, value of n. So it will be 2n is equal to 6, 9 minus 3, n is equal to 6 by 2, that will be 3. So this is answer of part 1. Coming to part 2. Part 2 is 8 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Make 32 as 8 into 4. Because there is still one 8 and cancel this 8. So I am getting 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 2. So now make the power equal because base is already equal. 4 means how much? 4 if I made it 2 to the power 2. So n plus 2 is equal to 2. Then n is equal to how much? N is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. Coming to third part. Third part is 6 to the power 2n plus 1. Division 36. Division 36 means how much? 6 to the power 2. 36 is 6 to the power 2 is equal to 6 to the power 3. Now when we divide, we get power subtraction. So this will be 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 6 to the power 3. This 2n plus 1 and 2 will be subtracted. 2n plus 1 minus 2. Now I'll simplify. Plus 1 minus 2. How much is this? This will be minus 1. Next, both have same base. So their exponent will be equal. So 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. Then 2n is equal to how much? 2n is equal to 4. Then n is how much? N is equal to 4 by 2. And what is the value of 4 by 2? That is equal to 2. So this is your answer of question number 17. Now I am going for question number 18. Question number 18 is, if 2 power n minus 7 into... So let us begin question number 18. This is the last question. If 2 raised to the power n minus 1 into x n minus 4 is equal to 1250, find how much is your is equal to 1250, find n. So now neither the base is constant same or nor the exponent is same. So we have to convert this into same exponent so that I can multiply 2 into 5 to 10 to apply this rule. So what I am doing, I wrote 2n minus 7 multiplies 5, I'll write as n minus 7 plus 3. Now the question is, why we don't change this 2? Because n minus 7 is less than n minus 4. So I'll write n minus 4 is equal to n minus 7 plus 3. In the second thing, I'll write n minus 7 into 5 n minus 7 into how much? Into 5 to the power 3 is equal to 1250. Of course, I will put an arrow here, implies that, or it is on. This symbol is implies that. So now I'll combine these two. So how much it will be? 10 to the power n minus 7. You can see on the right side, we can multiply the base. And what is your 5 raised to the power 3? 5 into 5 into 5. This is 125. So is equal to 1250. Now 10 to the power n minus 7 is equal to 1250 divided by 125. How much is this? This is 10, or 10 raised to the power n minus 7 is equal to what is 10? 10 to the power 1. Or now base are equal, I can make exponent equal. So n minus 7 is equal to 1. Or what is n? N is equal to 8. So this finishes your exercise questions of R.S. Agrawal exercise 5A.